Have you noticed that getting up from a chair feels a little heavier lately? Or that a short walk to the garden leaves you catching your breath? It's not just old age. It's your legs quietly asking for help. But here's the good news. It's never too late to make them strong again. And today we'll talk about 6 everyday foods that can help you walk steadier, move easier, and feel younger. From your kitchen table. As we get older, our leg muscles, especially the thighs and calves, tend to shrink and weaken. Doctors call it sarcopenia. It doesn't happen overnight. It creeps in quietly. First, you notice stairs feel longer. Then getting up from bed takes an extra push. But your legs are more than just muscles. They're your foundation, your balance, your freedom, your confidence. And the surprising truth is, what you eat plays as big a role as how much you move. Because every bite can either rebuild your strength or slowly drain it away. So before we dive into the list, let's talk about the 3 golden rules that keep food and your body working together safely after 60. 1. Timing. When you eat matters. Morning meals rich in nutrients help your muscles refuel and recover. If you're taking medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol, spacing your meals 2 to 3 hours away from your pills may reduce unwanted interactions. And always drink water. Older adults often don't feel thirst until they're already dehydrated. 2. Balance. You don't need to eat superfoods every day. Instead, rotate foods that give you steady energy, gentle protein, and anti-inflammatory support. Small, regular portions are safer and more effective than big changes all at once. 3. Awareness. Listen to your body. If you feel cramps, dizziness, or swelling after trying something new, take note and tell your doctor. Every body ages differently, and what's healing for one person may be too much for another. With these 3 pillars, timing, balance, and awareness, let's explore 6 powerful foods that can keep your legs steady and strong, no matter your age. Let's start with something humble and comforting, the sweet potato. Soft, sweet, and full of color. When we were younger, a plate of rice or bread might have been enough to power us through the day. But as we age, our muscles don't store energy as efficiently. That's why even a short walk can feel exhausting. Sweet potatoes solve that in a gentle way. Their complex carbohydrates release energy slowly, without spiking blood sugar. That means you stay steady. No crash, no shaky feeling. Inside that orange flesh are vitamins A, C, and potassium. Nutrients that help muscles contract properly, reduce inflammation, and repair tiny tears after activity. If you've ever woken up with stiff calves or felt heaviness in your thighs, adding a small serving of baked or steamed sweet potato to lunch can help. Caution: if you're on diuretics or have kidney disease, watch your potassium intake and discuss with your doctor before increasing it. Safe way to enjoy? Half a medium sweet potato per meal, baked or boiled. Avoid too much sugar or butter. Pair with protein, such as eggs or fish, to keep energy stable. And the best part? It feels like comfort food, the kind that hugs you back. Oats may seem ordinary, but for aging muscles, they're quiet heroes. They give you long-lasting energy, no sugar rush, no slump. Each spoonful provides beta-glucan fiber, which steadies blood sugar and keeps you full, so your muscles get a slow, steady flow of fuel all day. Oats also bring magnesium and iron, minerals your muscles crave for oxygen delivery and contraction. Low iron can make your legs feel weak or heavy. Low magnesium can cause night cramps. A simple bowl of oats in the morning can prevent both. And here's something many people overlook. Oats contain small amounts of protein, too.
Combined with milk or yogurt, they help maintain muscle mass naturally. Watch out. Flavored instant oats often contain added sugar and salt. Stick with plain rolled oats or steel-cut types. Safe routine: 1/2 to 1 cup cooked oats each morning topped with fruit or nuts. Add cinnamon for flavor without raising sugar. Think of oats as your steady battery. They keep your legs powered quietly, hour by hour.
The avocado. Creamy, smooth, and one of nature's best gifts to tired legs. As we age, our joints stiffen and muscles recover more slowly. Inflammation, that low-grade internal fire, becomes common. Avocado helps calm that fire. It's rich in monounsaturated fat, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil. These fats help your blood vessels stay flexible and reduce swelling in muscles and joints. Avocados also contain more potassium than bananas, essential for preventing muscle cramps and nighttime leg spasms. If you've ever been jolted awake by a calf cramp, low potassium could be the reason. How to use safely: 1/2 an avocado per serving, 3 to 4 times per week. Pair with lemon or tomatoes for extra vitamin C. Caution: if you're taking potassium-sparing diuretics or ACE inhibitors, discuss with your doctor before eating avocados daily. Consistency matters more than quantity. A little often works wonders. Soon, you may notice less stiffness when you get up from a chair and smoother steps when you walk. Berries are like tiny shields for your muscles and memory. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all are packed with antioxidants that neutralize the rust caused by aging and stress. Every day, your muscles face micro damage from walking, standing, or even staying still too long. Berries help repair that damage faster. Their vitamin C supports collagen, the glue that keeps your muscles and joints flexible. Their deep colors come from anthocyanins, compounds that protect blood vessels and improve circulation. Better blood flow equals better oxygen delivery to your legs. That means fewer heavy, tired sensations. Easy ways to enjoy: add a handful to your morning oats or yogurt. Blend them into smoothies. Freeze them when not in season. Frozen berries are just as healthy. Gentle note: if you're taking blood thinners, stick to moderate portions, 1/2 cup a day, since vitamin K in some berries can affect clotting balance. Think of berries as nature's sweet medicine: small, colorful, and powerful. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a second to like it. It truly helps others your age discover these simple health tips. And if you'd like to stay strong and independent for years to come, don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us keep creating practical, evidence-based health stories just for you. Now, let's talk about one of the best foods for rebuilding muscle: salmon. Every time you stand or walk, your leg muscles carry your entire body weight. Over the years, that weight becomes harder to manage, not because you've grown weaker, but because your body rebuilds muscle more slowly. Salmon gives you the tools to rebuild. It's full of high-quality protein, which provides amino acids, the raw materials for muscle repair. And even more importantly, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful anti-inflammatory fats that help reduce stiffness and pain. These omega-3s also improve blood flow, keeping your legs well oxygenated and energized. They even support nerve function improving balance and coordination. How much? 2 to 3 servings per week are enough. Baked, grilled, or steamed. Just avoid deep frying. Caution: if you're on blood thinners, discuss omega-3 intake with your doctor, as high doses can slightly thin the blood. Pair salmon with sweet potato or avocado. That's a powerful, heart-friendly meal that supports strength from the inside out. And finally, the humble egg. Small, affordable, and mighty. If you ask most nutrition experts which food supports muscle best after 60, eggs are near the top. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, perfectly balanced for muscle repair. They're also rich in vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle health, especially important since many older adults have low vitamin D levels. Low vitamin D can cause fatigue, weakness, and even unsteady balance. Inside that golden yolk, you'll also find choline, which helps your nerves and muscles communicate, improving coordination and reaction time. Simple daily habit: 1 to 2 eggs per day, boiled, poached, or scrambled with vegetables. Pair with oats or a slice of whole grain bread for balance. Note: if you have high cholesterol, discuss egg frequency with your doctor. For most healthy seniors, 1 egg daily is safe. Eggs are proof that simple foods often make the biggest difference. Do: eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods daily. Include 1 to 2 protein sources per meal. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Pair foods wisely: oats plus berries, salmon plus avocado. Keep meals colorful and moderate. Avoid skipping meals or eating too late. Overeating superfoods in one go. Sugary drinks or too much salt. Over-supplementing vitamins. Relying only on pills instead of diet. Monitor sudden fatigue or new cramps. Swelling in legs or changes in urination. Dizziness or unusual tiredness. Blood pressure or sugar changes. How your body feels day to day. Aging well is not about restriction. It's about rhythm. Eat mindfully. Move gently. And give your body what it truly needs. Question 1. Do I have to eat all 6 foods every day? Number: rotate them through your week. Even 2 or 3 daily can help maintain strength. Question 2. When's the best time to eat these? Morning or lunchtime is ideal. Your body uses nutrients best earlier in the day. Question 3. Can I eat them together? Absolutely. In fact, pairing them, like oats with berries or salmon with avocado, improves nutrient absorption. Question 4. What if I don't like fish or eggs? You can get similar protein from beans, tofu, or Greek yogurt. The key is steady intake. Question 5. Do I still need to exercise? Yes, but it doesn't have to be hard. Even light walking, stretching, or chair squats activate your leg muscles and help these nutrients do their job better. Your legs are your freedom. They carry you to the kitchen, the garden, the people you love. And though time may change how you move, it never takes away your power to rebuild. Start small. Add color to your plate, water to your glass, and kindness to your body. Within weeks, you may notice lighter steps, better balance, and the quiet confidence that comes from strength renewed. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you have chronic conditions, heart disease, diabetes, kidney issues, or take medications, always consult your doctor or dietitian before changing your diet. Everyone's body and needs are different. Your safety always comes first. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please click like. It truly helps more seniors find safe, evidence-based health advice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on living strong, sleeping well, and aging gracefully. Tell us in the comments, which of these foods will you start adding this week? Your story may inspire someone else to take their first step toward better health. Thank you for watching. And remember, stay kind to your body, because it's carried you through so much already.